I think this thing was about to burn to the ground. Still cold. Gotta go meet my buddy in the field on his snowmobile. He's not sure if he'll make it, but I told him I'd meet him on this thing. He'll make it. I might not make it. Come on, baby. Ooh. Oh! Looks like the groomer was out. Follow me, I guess. It's pretty cold.
Well, if I was smart, I would have put that bearing outside in the ice.
I don't think you need to. It just falls in. Buy the wrong parts, use the wrong tools, and break the seal.
Apex sled.
Yeah.
The one that I've always wanted.
Mm-hmm.
My first reaction here, I may as well be sitting on a hardwood floor. It is a nice sled.
See the cab on that side, she's all cracked, right in front of you. You gotta replace the brake fluid in these a lot because the condensation and a lot of snowmobiles burn down, like yours almost did, because the brake sticks, fluid in it. And this is the belt that was on it, but it's like bad. The one that was on top, I'm pretty sure it's near new because it still has the lines in the side of it. So.
97 or 96?
To 97. Same as my other one.
This thing's 29 years old.
Yeah, and it was advertised as 94. Spring soap, but I'm not sure why.
And mice hate it.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, you probably rubbed this all over everything. Yeah.
That makes sense. Alright, go get some gas. I feel like I do this every day. I prefer getting gas in gas cans, bringing it home instead of taking the snowmobile or the dirt bikes to the gas station. Those snowmobiles are a pain in the butt when you're on bare asphalt in the parking lot or whatever. You can't turn. Don't have reverse, so this is what I do. A buddy stopped by there earlier. He brought a part of his chain case for his snowmobile, like another one that he was working on. So I got the press in the garage, so he pressed in a new bearing. I don't know if he's gonna sell that one, keep it, or whatever, but he kind of plays around with the same type of stuff I do, so that was cool. Hope they don't fall over in the back. It's like my worst fear. Groomer was out over here. You can't really tell, it's all white, but there's one spot that's flat. That's where I cut through the field over there. Top this thing up. Ugh. Shouldn't take a lot, but might as well leave with a full tank tonight. Put a new harness on it for the heated visor. When I bought it, it had one, but it was for a different helmet, so luckily I had a spare. Full enough. See how she starts. I think this thing was about to burn to the ground. I was just going to put a new headlight bulb in it, but look at the harness. That ain't good. Okay, so that didn't work out very well. I was going to drive this tonight, but now with that headlight, I don't think that's a good idea. But what I'm wondering is if I can go to like Napa and just grab a 3-prong plug and use it. 27 MXZ 583. Headlight bulb. What are we running here? H4. An H4 bulb. Alright, off to the store. Alright. Got them. Got a 2-pack, so when I break the first one or wire it wrong, I got a replacement. And if the problem's still there and it melts one of them, then I have a second. Alright, time to go for a ride. Hasn't blown up yet. Here he comes. It was like waist deep. I might have got her stuck. $11. Oh, we got a floater.
You got a what?
Something floating in here.
Oh.
That ain't good. Oh man, so cool. Oh. Alright, so that was about, I don't know, 30 kilometers on that new snowmobile. And I made it back and didn't break down, so I guess that's a win. Got a new tank for the welder today. Filled her up. There you go. Alright, so I got her cut open here. So that's what came out of it. Like a big spiral of crap. And then that's what's in it now. Just nothing. Exhaust comes from the motor into that and gets shot down. Used to go all the way around the spiral and then out the exhaust. Now it's just gonna go in and out the exhaust. Okay. Try that again with gas. There we go. You kind of want to get it somewhat where it was, I guess. All right. All right, that's done. Maybe thinking, why did I do that? Well, because I felt like it. So, make sure I don't have any pinholes. Looking good. Well, it doesn't look good, but... Okay. Missing a spring. This thing's heavy, too. It's got to be like 5 pounds. I don't know where that spring went. All right, done looking. Yeah, so it's a lot louder now. I think it's a bit too loud, but let's try it out here. Alright, that's it for this one, so probably could have just left that exhaust the way it was, but I said whatever. Cut her open, got some new welding gas, so tried that out, and looks horrible, but works, sounds good. It's probably a little louder than the actual exhaust I put on my other one, but they both sound, I would have to say, the same. I couldn't tell them apart if I heard them each running. So what to do, lost a spring. I'll probably find that later, probably in the spring. Daughter's birthday today, so I think I'm gonna put the camera down and go get an ice cream cake, eat half of it. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one later. On one more thing here, this is the remember I changed the headlight bulb on that snowmobile, didn't really show you. This is the plug that I replaced, so you can see over on the one side it's completely melted. And then I rode the snowmobile all last night, probably 3-hour ride, like stopping and going, probably like, I don't know, 30 kilometers. And headlight worked, high, low beam, plug wasn't getting hot. I checked the voltage before I left and it was, you know, revving it up, wasn't going past 12. So I think it was like a past problem that just wasn't fixed. Like, you know. Anyway, that's fixed. We'll see you later.